So here's how you can get my Minecraft launcher. So hold on. Here's what it looks like. I already have it installed. But since rats and trojans are going around, I'll install it right in front of you. Okay, so home, right? Here's the home. We have server IP. So alright, let's start over here. So when you first get it, there will be a tutorial on like how to use it. It'll explain everything. You scroll through, or you can just just skip through all of it. Okay, but you should do Microsoft login if you do have an account. It'll do this. You go back over here, copy the code, and enter the code, allow access. For me, it just does a passkey, so I'll enter my passkey. Okay, now I'm signed into my Minecraft launcher, so I can close this, and I'm in. Okay, now if you don't have an account, you want to still play Minecraft, frick. Yeah, so like go back and then click on play offline. So that will be a cracked version. You can type in whatever server IP and the port, and you can play on that server. So there are editions, so Java edition and Bedrock edition. Yeah, there's browse mods. So first, what you want to do is create an instance. And if you want mods, you click on mod loader right here and change it to fabric. Okay, this is the version. It goes way all around. Edition, Java, or Bedrock. You can name it whatever. I'm just gonna name it test. Now I want this logo, so I'm gonna click on that. So this is how much gigabytes of RAM your game is gonna take up. So I'm only gonna put like 8 gigs of RAM. Install Fabric for Minecraft 1.20, 1.11 now. Click yes. Then install Fabric. So Fabric is a mod loader that allows and like makes a folder for all the mods that you will get. So it's nothing harmful. It's all like official. Okay, then you go here. There's like all the mods. Some are from, or all of them are from the mod room and CurseForge. But you can go to next. It takes a minute to load these pages. Yeah, mine loaded, but I skipped past it. So yeah, there's 15 pages total. You can choose what you want to filter through. Performance, code generation. Yeah, but as you can see, there's for adventure, there's food effects, all these, and for farming, there's for adventure, there's adventure platform, and for food/farming, there's food effects. Okay, resource packs, basically the same thing. There's resource packs, shader packs, data packs, mod loaders. You guys have seen this skin editor. I just chose to add this because why not? Mod packs. So you can type in whatever you want. So it'll take all the mods from whatever instance you choose and turn it into a mod pack. Okay, so I can create one and I can give this code to my friend. They can put it here and they will get all the mods I have. This is usually used if you're like using the essential mod. So you can play with your friends on your survival worlds and everything. Okay, settings. Now, game window. I'm just gonna put mine launching full screen. Toggle, light theme, / dark theme. Doesn't really like work. Only like a few things do, but it works whenever you like restart it. Default RAM for new instance. Right now mine's just at 2 gigs. Okay, Java download. You don't need to worry about that if everything's if you already have Java installed. Okay. Now here, wait, let me actually show you all this first. Okay, here, click on auto detect. And click on test Java to make sure you have the most recent version. OpenJDK version 21. Okay, that's what you need to do in order to play. Okay, this is just all the extra stuff. So you can scroll down, right? And you'll see here, you can change your keybinds. So like, whenever you open like any instance, sometimes people like to have your left shift to your sprint button instead of your control. So at first this will say control. Okay, you just want to delete that and type in shift. And over here, it's just sneak. well, it'll say shift, but you replace that with control. So now your shift is your sprint and your control is your like go down, all that. You can also mess with the rest of these too, but I'm not gonna. And then make sure you click on save all settings to apply everything. Okay, this shows your account. You don't really need this. Use offline mode. Sign out, you could switch xbox.com for like Game Pass or whatever. Buy Java Edition from here. Yeah, everything's like working. Like I said, editions, Bedrock Edition. Wait, did I? I don't know if I mentioned that already, but you can pick between Bedrock or Java. I'm not gonna do Bedrock for this tutorial, but I'll delete this one because I already have one made and I have like all the mods I need. So I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna click on play. Now just let it load. Now since mine's in full screen, mine's gonna like launch in full screen. But here, keybinds, and show y'all that it's not cracked. Well, it would have like given me a different error, but I am banned, so yeah. I am able to get onto this server, which I'm pretty sure isn't cracked. I'm not too sure. Same with this one. I don't think this one's cracked though. But yeah. Alright, so now let me show y'all that it's not a rat or anything like that. So here today, I don't have like anything called that installed, right? So now I'm gonna go over to my account, which I will put my name in the description. I can't really put in links, but I will put my name in and you can search it up on GitHub. You can click on Darx launcher. Okay, and then go to this one. This one is usually going to be old, but you're going to click on +1 release. So, for the video, you should do the most recent one. Do the most recent one. This one was basically just test for the version. Okay, but for me, since this is like the most recent one right now of this recording, I'm just gonna get it. Okay, as you can see, there's no Darx launcher here, and I'm gonna launch it straight from right here. More info, run anyways. Yes. Okay, it is gonna do that, but that shouldn't freak you out. So yeah, it's the same exact thing. And mine says this because I got the previous version. It has all the same stuff. If you want, I can drag in all of the code to this entire thing. So I keep all my stuff in here. So here's the Python file. darxlauncher.py. Here's everything. You can throw this into like ChatGPT or something and ask if it is harmful. Oops. Alright. Alright, so since I don't really have any more uploads, I'm just gonna open it up in Visual Studio. Hit Control A and copy. I have no way of like showing proof, so you guys can do this if you want. Here. I'm just gonna use Deep Sleep. Spelled device wrong, but that's alright. Okay, it'll look for the file also. I can also put this inside of VirusTotal. Confirm upload. Okay, and it might just give a few false positives. I'm not too sure, but I'm guessing. Let's go back to DeepSeek. Central concerns, not really malicious. Okay, so bugs. See, these just bugs. Okay, any watch that. This one appears legitimate. Okay, it's not. Launcher from GitHub. Yep. So this is where you should only get it, or my Discord, which I can also put in the description. But 0 out of 63, everything's completely fine. I don't know why it doesn't check any of those, but 0 out of 63, everything's fine. You can throw it in there again for one of the new updates I upload. But yeah, that's my launcher. So try it out and let me know.